Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 776 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigments eyeshadow that I got in the shade Mother Nature. And this is from my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. I seriously got such a great Ipsy Glam Bag this month, which if you have not seen my unbagging of that, I will have that video linked down below. But this is a full-size product that I got in my $12 Ipsy Glam Bag, but this retails for $14.99, and it looks so pretty. It's kind of like a champagne shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Holy moly, that is amazing. It's pressed pigment and gosh, is this pigmented. Like, oh my gosh. I only did the tiniest little touch and swatch and it is so full pigmented. Wow. And I love this shade. It's so versatile, like a perfect shade to go with really any color, any kind of eye look, or just alone. I love wearing a shimmery neutral shade like this all over the lid. So I'm really excited to see how this looks on my eye. I don't know how well this will work out using a brush to kind of blend it out, but I want to try picking it up on a fluffy blending brush and just kind of working it into the crease, diffusing out the color. Oh yeah, it actually does look nice. This shade is a little bit too light to do much of a crease shade effect, and more just add some very light shimmer and glow. That's kind of cool. Maybe like, I'm gonna try a little bit on my cheeks. Yes, a really nice little highlighter, because it really does look so pretty and glowy on the skin when I just blend it out. I love that. That's really nice. While I'm going for it as a highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger. Yes, beautiful, so pigmented. It seriously looks so good on the skin as a highlighter. It's just a little bit too dark for my skin tone if I were to like build it up a bit, because it's a little bit too tan for me, but beautiful glow and reflection. That looks like a really nice highlighter. I love it. I just have to make sure I blend it out enough so that it doesn't look like a dark streak on my cheeks, but gorgeous, gorgeous formula on the skin. Blends out so easily. Look at that glow. I didn't really think that I could also use this as a highlighter, but I'm loving it. Ooh, okay, now I'm even more excited to see how it's gonna look on the eye. So just using my finger again. This is perfect to apply with my finger. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like a foiled effect. That's how pigmented. And the shine, that is beautiful. I love it, but look at the difference between the eye with it versus my eye without it. It's a perfect, subtle kind of everyday, any type of makeup look type of shade for the eyelid, because it almost matches my natural skin tone for my eyelid, but it adds that shimmer and it also covers up the discoloration. So I think this is a perfect everyday eyeshadow. I'm so excited. And a perfect everyday highlighter. This is amazing. I'm so happy I got this shade. It's so perfect. And I'm glad I got the full-size product because I'm probably going to go through this pretty quickly when I'm applying it all over every day. Like, you don't even need any other eyeshadows with this. Okay, like the perfect 2-in-1 product for a highlighter and an eyeshadow. I'm obsessed with this formula, obsessed with this color. Like, so flattering, and it's not even creasing. With all of the lines in my eyelids, it's not settling into any of them. And another awesome thing about this that I didn't even mention is that this is natural makeup. So I am completely blown away by it, but it says, in case you had any doubts, this all-natural, pro-quality pressed pigment eyeshadow is proof that clean cosmetics are just as legit as the conventional kind. Like, I think this is better than regular eyeshadows, but that this is clean makeup, natural, is amazing. Seriously, I'm blown away. This would also be like a perfect brow highlight shade with all the different makeup looks. Oh, this is just so, so good. I'm even more obsessed with it than I thought I'd be. And I love when that happens with makeup products. I also think this might be my first Naked Cosmetics product that I'm trying out. I'm definitely familiar with this brand and their loose pigments. Maybe I have tried out with the loose pigments before, but highly recommend this if you just want an amazing eyeshadow or highlighter. This shade Mother Nature is so perfect, but now I just want to get this in all of the shades because it's an amazing, perfect formula. I would love to hear in the comments down below if you've tried this out, especially if there's any other shades that you've tried out that you would recommend. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.